ni ade agese no ye abaka so abodam nti ni say na asam ni ye kakura ye hu ba bia ye vanka because ye nyaka obaka se e wo yale ye ka mo so mu ni pefe sa ade na ya mpa so meka se wo yale na sa hani ye hu be cheso say pa abla kokko ye mfa ede yen fa ye mfa de yen fa abna because a man may eduebu and I want to duebu. They say mumienu nyina mu duebu. As at now you cry you have been diagnosed. Now also so dey so cry dey. What dey cheche problem no. What dey cheche because of say at the end ba na ho ye wo de. Wo ho ye wo de na ba bi bo peri say ya. Na bo peri so nko ade. Na man so wo de be wuo mama. So ase enya di kwa wo mu so wi a wo si buei. It's not sweet. Now which is not sweet. Abena cause this thing or the men. You see a be moon licking. What's you oh my God. Someone gave up that move. Walk a sound so. No, I when in a need at a retail. Then a knee. I style been an in them. Ay, Jamina do crew gay. Say, and I'm going to say Jimmy Crabatan. Was in my neighbor back who pa no near there. Doing your say gay. I said. Jimmy Kakran or dia fa ho or dia boda because ye say pa two for mu dan kwa ho or mu bo ahye wo fi bebre na I get to a time they also get used to sex but I no nche so mu nyina ye bipolar asa wo de dwamane ye wo de wo bo dwamane mu degree wo kasa no yi nani ato wiem and then oh my God said you see you who know I was a Akuma Mazimbi befa when I way do kwata we lady circle oh you belong with Akuma Mazimbi. Oh, and Akoko, you belong with Akuma Mazimbi. Near don't got na. I was a Akuma Mazimbi. I found one no yeah, Juma. Apart from Akuma Mazimbi, where you can't work anywhere. One because yeah, madam, you must show yourself. Yeah, you will show yourself. We baby a chabaka se bipolar. You see, you know, them kakra. And your body see. And you told a pa bibi say. Yes, say. I said, Bobrezia Bob Chapan fasa sofu. So easy so no I can say no I'm in papa tia se no wajai. Ye nyina yare. But who born na say yakwe na bibia che wadwe but who dey any dey say wa boy ti free. Who dey any no chok wa boy we dam na ti free but so say who so he bibia anywhere dey fa because you say no dey what try pay to Eric I'm fine Eric papa. Nana maba hello sweet so is abna kokko can you what you want say dey ben pa na wo pay free just say Giovanni na no here mo but say Giovanni for be bia ge ita ne so Giovanni for be bia abna kokko ta was say pa say Giovanni pa dey trash guy ni obe ja boy na ma boy na kwade dey eh jinjina try o asem no ma bina so ma bina asem no because this bipolar ne dey as say no dey wuji me bro so kakra bi as bipolar because sometimes so there are some people who are also attention seekers so me who say there are some people who are really attention who say they saw than a dozen obu on so kra no dey bia oye kakra no obi hu na chinchina etwa because that time she was vying for SRC position. And after the one say, Wapa will run a tomb, or could you who say, what should I boy see near this one? And after the or you see a diagnosis, enough you don't grab a ambassador, beyond Joyce, he told you. Beyond Joyce, dear. You see a man ambassador, your mama ambassador for Bodon phone, and I am mama bipolar phone, and I say, I'm not go. You do a ambassador amount. What? I do me ya radio station. When you SRC president, when you Abodan for president, you dear ma abnakoko. And so they say still now, me say 100, member 100 now, no madam. Bo be a din. So bo be a din. I say they say is targeted. Names now you are recollecting. They are all targeted names. I said they are all in the limelight. You know. What are you trying to tell us? Say Njundi say it's a bipolar. Say so you have a recollection of what you did. What me kai bibia wo ye? Eh na dam ben. Adam answer but am need you. As a dam way they went down. What me kai bibia e den wo ye? Ah still now so why doing you at least you have a control of obi ultimate sorry e dare twitwu say. Etimi make up here when ndie. more than what be able to me dare shot idea. Yeah, you more than you just enjoy your freedom near the sugar titty to where was so about fitting in true near the so on cast or bipolar. That is what she wants her life. Sugar titty to way. What pet she wants to show because of who wants to or show him or who said she just wants to show herself. For me, so dear, no, like you have never. If that is what you want to do, that's what makes you feel good. Do it. Activity for that is what maybe because you are an attention seeker. Instead of say doing it for less, do it for money. She got it where in name. So where in name say she enjoys it. It gives her power. Say oh no, but what brace the no because the body is so effect. And she got it. She's showing it. She's collecting money out of it. And stop running behind this bipolar and show yourself. Say you are sexually hyper. You love sex. Well, you are sexually hyper, you love sex, and you also love showing your body. Your body is nice. Yes, if you want to show it, show it. Yes, Ghana for Kanye Becca, but don't hide behind a bipolar and wine. We are. After the Becca say, I was having an episode now. They say, what episode? No, quite a season, Beba. Won't call episode, I've been a Becca my any season. Season movie near Chaniare. Because what episode no, you say I thought that you are having episode. I thought that you are not having episode. They say season, paraben of season, beba. They say episode 1 season, season 1, same year way. Abuna, it's been a long time. Well, why we not position near the idea? I come in quite the activity for some more kind. Say, she just needs attention, mommy. So, true. And there's nothing wrong with and she had a hello. There's nothing wrong with wanting attention because people are in them. One, the demo or beat me with banana back here, hyper back or rubber group so be a wound. It's normal. So don't hide behind this bipolar. Be you. That is you. You want to be sexual. You program she's teaching things, she's so sexy. She's still giving out formula and she's not hiding behind anything. There are people who are sexually hyper and you're normal, who sometimes they want to seek attention and you're normal. Open a page. So as I said, like Sugar Titty, open a page and show yourself. If that's what makes you feel good, that's what makes you feel mighty, fine. But don't hide behind behaving like a victim. As if say man or much as if say or one who say we are bodeming or money water. I don't soon him say I didn't buy no I didn't go penny. You need somebody to say what the baby womb. Wow, could see who could have meme yan and meme so you go womb we are. Who buy no be moody? Almost so moody. Wow, you need somebody to be way to go won't be a man. Now say I am. Hey, boy, Nana, would you know? My name. So, then you go woman so abena. Koko na sa da ni problem sa dia ma meme na mo amawari nso so kra dia mo ya no da enkokrafo se kra dia young enkokrafo epe side chicks young boys so mo side chicks young boys amawari young girls mo so by girlfriends na mo so pa de enkokrafo na omonyi na omo ye mobo na ye hu omo mobo no ama omo kakra no mo so young boys amawari young girls amu ni omo ti aware so mo so say hia no da enumode ben yan suma mo he na sa won waware no emuawa munja ware na mumra ne nyina yengu ene etwe to etwe cause etwes but mo amu hu dia mo ye mo aware we having nice family nice young ladies amaware mo so mo sori amone na mama mfo di emu na mo yiyi mu kwatechire na mo yiyi mu ha show me this show me that e bia show me this ade na bi na da wudem Grandma, what about Cocrana or ye the Abba Granny Behum Mobakaso, Grandma at least. They say, when you're married soon to come, you want to see something. But also, dear, your mamma down. They say something you are coming to look, so being in Cherry. More gender, these dear boys, more hard. And Tabernacle comes to account one more, because more hard. As a movie licking yard, the movie yard, they were licking, or less it's blue no kind, your bony did so I were licking. You can't tell so funny who me. As a movie, my yard, dear, or castle, the ruby say, oh my. was when I was sitting with, it felt like I was sitting with Aristotle and John Watchley. It felt like I was sitting with Nelson Mandela and Sigay, but it felt like I was Aristotle, yeah, mathematician who that day. It felt like, because the Panini Madiama, it felt like I was sitting with Aristotle, I was sitting with the Madame Samasa and Mandela. There's Mandela I dream home and what's who know who die. Jana Mandela film no one. Ah, I don't know, ya black or what I've been saying. I asked some. And my brain says a TV Joshua, Prophet TV Joshua, so I have gone too soon. Well, won't see a man, I'm sorry, man, you know, shedding. One more members of TV Joshua Church. The Mamuni now shedding, they say, Mo papa, I brought phone so a mufia butchery, a better Nigeria, almost a woman, Munina, me pamacho. Mo papa, Munyana Munkomufi. Why? You're more sure we are sinners. They say, Mo papa, well, Yankopon fa ne kransie ye so a the spirit ni ja obi dia fine Yankopon be yi obi na nya sound so de na ye say de mo am spiritual father we die and within the next days man go pe obi dia mo awu mo aja mo mabusuafo nkwa mo nkwa mabusuam mo adin ama mo je mo ho engine every minute bia papa sofo menye si every minute every second bia mo ma sofofo enye ya just 57 years papa no wa bre Ejuma na wa en wa bredodo edi monsa wa tu owi asima TB Joshua ba in 57 won say wa bredodo ah ma bra say you Joseph en cancer kwankwansa kwankwansa na lekenu abuwa Hey, yana obi fan kwankwansa number huku mi why. Bi to ya lebene. Any esen kwankwansa leke odia. Any this boy is hiding something from you. Kwankwan. Osi you din safun kwankwansa. Any obi fan kwankwansa huku mi why. Obi fan kwankwansa huku mi. Na we dia anu edin. I know I didn't pam. Why? Who is blaming Mark Zuckerberg for what? What are you blaming Mark Zuckerberg for? Please, next comment. Tell me who's my broke. Why? What are you blaming Mark Zuckerberg for? What has happened? Mark Zuckerberg, why then was saying my came? But so me pass comment for why? The person who is blaming Mark Zuckerberg makes your comment from. If I say me tell you why? And are you on or you are not on? Mr. Comment who will be in person me tell you. But say me who typing skills type will be most of the day. Then I see. I'm not going to say na who can na say who can say fufu. Please, me by say one type of fufu. Hey. Eugene kwankwansa they say munya majimoni so Samia wuku die bobo Samia wuku die o so oboni dia na Samia wuku abel kanta cross no obo Samia wuku dia na o ma ba na o ma 1,500 so me also ma misika 1,500 me kra me work square me twom ka enso sabna kokko uji sika no 1,500 buy ya so ma wi na go so ka chen say ma me 1,500 so je what 1,500 na wi be ka say 1,500 me work square no o mo yes square shama me kra me twom ka say abna kokko you took the 1,500 we dey twa we news belele wi they say Samia wuku 1,500 no abna kokko sie so ti so be wa go page pu bi dia mane dia nyesa ba bi obekọ bi obebo odi they say TV3 for na yi ya omo yi na di na ha na papa nti abna kokko they say Samia wuku ba bi obefa bi Samia wuku di na obebo so ati ase ze din de minti run ze ana say nti Samia wuku please go and settle abna kokko if not pa dia everywhere she go you there she'll mention them rough you say apart from you have a political agenda Abra Richie thank you ya pon kra we ya be pon na afi na mam na mo hefa ya ba live ya na mo hefa Dada Facebook mbebo mama ne ho. Akasa be yi no kra na wo ya pese wo na afi na amanfo aba agwangwansanfo dada no mo ye ne den. Please follow the page. Why? Who follow page now click follow notification no ring bell instead be ya me ba live. Unso be there wo betimi abaso. Enya sa na wo be ba na ya late. So what I say. So just click the bell. Follow no amia bell no so na you can crying anytime I'm live. But in kuku. Mami afia na mo de da akwadwofo akwadwofo na mo de da akwadwofo na mo de da afi na maba oh wait dear some Africans are abusing Facebook and the world is watching the world is watching say why TikTok they no money abroad they no money everybody is doing their thing so what I say whether abuse or not abuse you have the power to stream your information mimi who be mimi see me sadline no because I woni asemesi we you are shit to me bibia no be free when ma ba me ya bibia ni wa me Facebook for Christ suggest we ba me ntie wenu masem so but me ntimi wo bi wo so so timi ka se ni asemesi we me ne ho ye mashi but still you go on their program to watch and no na me ntie asem so what I say wo se munya 22 for akoma hye for akoma den ase nipa no ne ho ye wotan no oba live so na wugina so wo pese wo tie nanu masem na asi na wasa atro de obetro eno it doesn't make sense so what I say la FSB aja boku ana memeye minyo it's morning in the US it's true monso mu bra kwa aso ye de en kwa aso wi o aso ya na e komi de me kura minim se gu se da so ogo na me kwa aso na me kwa aso but say de me kwa aso wi ache ayo okay Clara president di ambem say di again was it chinchina ntwa so wa na da bia wo yire wo say Christ no bebo odin wo ne wa da bia wo po mpo mo ansa ne contract agreement de wo po mpo obebo odin enti sami awuku mesira 1500 na mde blend the last time sami awuku osi esua sami awuku tum say when you are coming sami awuku come with dollars because wo po mpo na da no mo die and I thought we were dating. I thought, hey, I said, man, credit chinchina try obikunu. Of obikunu personal chinchina try say you thought we were dating and I fell in a year a day. Broken heart to be so obi ma broken heart there was still now to say girl nation. Enti Giovanni. Like thank you Giovanni. Lexis Bill cried that's what say one and do one. Lexis Bill that's what when was one and done. Lexis Bill the answer was one now. Then I'm concerned the liquor. Ena Giovanni Caleb. And I'm going to say here, Giovanni dear was so in the sacrifice because one more year in a dear fitty, now Giovanni that's all who ye trash and dear one day was one tear, chinchina train. O see ye Giovanni so free. Giovanni is also poor me no night. So I say Giovanni pa mum and quam to Uncle Bodia. So another men madam no na cry see any day. I didn't have the a car. Oh, I'm not going to car. Oh. KOD, KOD na no see what on it. Oh, yeah, KOD no so on it tonight and pam. Oh, Beatrice. I made it oh I have 2 extra crowd but say the bear made the amount. Munya botre so munya botre. I just started sewing. They say me here material. Say we no material we no. It lasted for me now 3 pieces out of it. And I me want toma so am try and so me now 2 pieces. And toma no me call me kai say me din na me want toma bear 2 or 3 am try just 1 yard. And I say me we me de bo me bani mu. Enti no me kwahwehwe toma na asa afran yoma. Aka me pam wo de mitimi pam bebre a if I'm able to sew a lot I me pen a year. Wa meji obi ayi then my people I'll just share it. Why? One pam timba Ghana so those in Ghana so me akasa me ye ma customize obi a de why? nipa kakra metimi no se me ya na ese me pam me ya na me pam ti mu ni ha me ya me dim sika bokwa koto material na pam na be cha mam why enti wo pe help na tibia e ma ne ha wo se si afi na ma sha ase material no na aka enti me nya material ni bebre a me pam UK fo me nya nipa be 10 na ma posi amam me posi si ba ko so na wa posi amom maka no US fo nso na ma send bi amam why Ghana nso so na mo so mo dia me ba me de machine na nkasa ba be si Ghana na se ma pam be 50 pieces na se ma checha ma mo Ghana fo nso nti ma mo adanya me ana mo mbidibu me mo trust me ana betimi aye nti adan na se abuna kokwa aboka betimi se esu na osu na kabo wom because o si nipa mienu pa bi na timi man sika kakra na je ase wa ma na ho oda no di nanim wan fasika semens anka ho oda no so nti na se anakwa aboka because the way again is so much no die also mu nyina aka bom talk am again because much again mo use no girl ne kasa wodi kasa because ent me ma say fine my bodam ena ma ha mu ya me dedie but at least me dey abase mu ntwi kra na wo se mo ma me bibi kakra so at because the way again na ho odesi ye ne da wona ya dem ne dam ni mu nka girl wait me start sam wa broche ha sei ebie kubukela nka sika bna kokko be hwie wo Germany ha sei na me ka kire wo eno so be license ena wo say ya no mkra de ya more than ti ya yi ne mo e peri but wo di adwuma no ene dam ne nam entu no ene wo feelings for adwuma no tinka me man be feeling on say asha wo base no kwa ye mianu fu ye mfia no da bi ko ya no akwakoda so no asori akoba to wo die ne die the way feelings wo mu ne de nka be mo so som amoma fefu anu tinka sika be do so hu abena ge na boka afina mati ase why wo cho comment me dance wa bo am because ge na boka you people need to compensate the girl because feelings na get the mam no me ntimi fa bi mam because ono de ne extra. Imagine obia na adwene ye yi na ne yi wasa wo feelings na wo ne awrade yankopon hwege yo kasa kra ne sex ye ge yi kasa Florence I should customize your name won so Florence Ajeman just am dia this man ti that say be fa wodi nyina say good bonnet so ni problem me yama why me yama what me yama aye went me sign signature kra dia ma customer na say me dia ma ade enya me ana me yama dodo Florence Ajeman me yama esan cancer omo ha girl no girl also we this man girl no e talk am again abna kokko na mfom pa dia me menti ase abna kokko contact me before na menti wase na se bata me afina mate wase if you are walking on the floor pa me say me awuku minimum girl ba ko wo girl no da ka mu na abna kokko feelings again de ma we nyina chi na say me awuku 1005 na mo smile see emfa ma abna kokko dia wa chiti girl mo chiti girl no KOD so anya ade nenti gay di mamu nyina nti na munim se at least I was say you compensate ge boage because ge na boayin smart ase humanity you too no worries me say when I get the materials I'll just let you write then I'll sort you people out na my choose some people na my yama why so Ajua, they have to pay that girl because girl na brown so odwen ho edam ne back odwen ho to the back no kai girls cry na bi omo call one round the pe omo did that car mu me I never know say abna kokko end that car me I thought say she has a car mo say abna kokko ni car e won kan abonten so na na say mo anya ade na nti papa fu na mo na yeso no cry ne dam so cross ni feelings ni wo choice o se ba sa na wo mpenyo mafun timusa ade no do no pe no beye nenti papa fu no hwe wo ge ya na ge ya boka abna ya boka abna boka because you timsa ade no control ni sa na wo penyoma kese so egu young boys no fresh boys no dey pay yes fine Enfim ye wasa wo anti abna kokko na aboka no na me ka ho asemi what nyina say price kwa na nka me so mbeye obeye lawyer na say dia ye die obeye doctor na say soldier ba dia ye die I just saw a lawyer ebe bua ni auntie sa abena kokodi. Ya kala class. Ai, open. Price come for pay the boom. Now who bet me the back? Price come for meat pie. Okay. Go. Close the door. Price, close the door. Bye. Oh, I say more, Jima. Mrs. Aboka, Papa, and said, Mrs. Disu. I didn't say, buy a crown and my sister, as well, Cassach, but yen, the yen see after Martina see me. Abena Coco, I feel na Mati was here. Abena, I feel na Mati was here, yeah, Kobian Chilemu, young coming to us because in Kaibu or Hokrana, yan for more moon, yeah, the Totua no quote near rented the mom. Obu where the more mushim keep swabi near poka mom. Now power sanko for ya what's a we dear by now. Cause your man Siamam. I was your tea organization in honor of Abena Coco because Gana bring. Which is at that time no so na you ne buy na or you ko ti or ko him na you ne buy no mu nyina hu say why you know say kaya bakade. Ti wo do be hye obia mema no so hu say ade ne wo nti no tim so so yi o makomam ni ge ne dan omu yi o makomam ene ge ne dan ankasa nti tim say edam ni free mu no ote wo no odwene ho na asem ne ha ge no Abena Coco ni card ya menti asi de menti asi sami a wuku jaja 1,500 pa na that time with the Abena Coco just to keep her quiet the amanya de. Justice for Abena, Millicent. Seriously, justice for Abena Coco. Because what you guys did is wrong. No, you took advantage. After my mat again, I say you took advantage because you see the me no pebi. And they bet me amma usika. Well, inti me me dana chesesa. Me a misi mu na chese ne say. What's the mo di adwen to say yes, girl. E wo mu say na hoje. Wasi ye wom. But when I ye wom we no, other people near kwa ye nya ne sa. Enti nka mo sika bi kura na nko asem de ba mo obi anka ken na wasem de ma no na mo de akọ rent dan dia atoto cars ama other girls a omo ntimi nko Abena akọkọ rounds ne dia na je se girl ya mo bu ne kwase a mo bu Abena akọkọ kwase a no mo anya de sami awuku de ona headless no Giovanni Caleb de bobo Giovanni Caleb de je se ofa no was on TV3 on. Was it Giovanni? Because right now this rush is ruling TV3. And they said Giovanni, no, they don't want anything like at all to happen to him. They said they sacrificed Abena Coco for Giovanni because Giovanni's show is ruling. And Abena Coco de Giovanni the baby obeko bi obeko di. What that crime also obeko Giovanni di. Me so the DPO the Giovanni di. Aden. Because of you, Bobo would think it to be in. Yeah, in the now would your way dream more days. I was a jai. Why like you said that time again when you webcam on this camera, be saying they again nothing. Bearman better be a you get say, me Abena Coco find webcams, spy web near there, then I be sika fast. So that time now, yeah, I just say, Debbie. They say, oh, find the webcam, spy camera, they be a pen, it be a you own. Like say no wo kwa aboa ho penioma e mema no ne omodo meka so ne omanda so ase say you need evidence Abena Coco me kire wade say you need evidence wo de wo nia bia contact me nia me pa bia ma wo nia evidence wo nia evidence kire omo pa sika bia wo pa bia omo de ma eno na guess na eni mo no mo ye omo dia ye de nyamfa put into practice dia batanche. They say and say me moti say me dan makwa kotina mu pe ozo mu se ma blackmail obi say nipa ba mi ensa bi da me radar so am pese me blackmail wo mo enche se moti say makwa me dan mu pe me ko Ghana pe na mo say oh blackmail na fa say blackmail ne da edida na kwem they say me hye blackmail no so they say we can fail because they can for na be kire say they see adwuma no say we can fail so as say no me menye be nipa me nse bi am pese me blackmail wo me blackmail wo they say what say makọ Ghana na me fie no me pool no me da me pool ni mu a mu hu say blackmail na fa they say there is pending is abna kokko they say adam no nko cannot get you far with that blackmail is they say no kwa pe camera ni ade fa bi hihye wo no fo ho so me ma no mo pelican say camera nyina fa bi hye you beat mu lekin for na wo kan mo se wo boa wo mo anye no pe camera na fa hye wo beat mu so ati ase oh enti I say wo pay yi camera na de hye wo beat mu because nkrofo na mo pelican say camera ni spy camera betimi abobi te say yi ahwenye nyina de amana de ato ase ne na e hwa no camera so ati ase ebi nso ho a pe spy camera ne because unya be kan say no wo be deny. But who are backing evidence? Say yes, it's a movie. Or more tons of evidence. Yes, or mudi obi kuta a hard driver. Yes, when you be high drive ni more. Nesi keba. When you video, when you picture, I know busa abranti. How do you want it? This week, me here sika say what they buy now farmer. Now the the aba. If say aduma na ye nyina ye ko musku ye kwa kwesi. Rosemary, good afternoon. Inti abna kokko yare no ho but when you so nyansa Ghana de hwe me pa na nka mo yare we ya me yare ne ba me ho ya me da abna kokko me nka nda da nka me bie boot me ka me bie yi pa na me gina na me de aye adwuma because free pa de Ghana for men they don't deserve free also the year adwuma price also the year adwuma na eden wo gi hu sika so what you say e ma kire mu they say ne dia blackmailing na na ekoso they say blackmailing school no ye beti bi ni a kire mu ha wo say mu blackmail mu twitwa man for pictures accumulation of information they say ati agba ya hia ye mu kra na be blackmail ye I say mo sorry Oh no, Florence, me. I can't say we are just making fun, boy. Me, blackmail. Me. Please, you are watching TV. Don't come in for the tablet. It's here. Right, yes. Did he eat the one I gave him? Yes. Did he eat the meat pie? Where is the one I gave? Give me this. Right. Did he eat the meat pie? Yeah. Are you sure? Everything. Would you just say, well, one day, way, or months say my life, you will be dimmy panning and any damn. I said, why you busy in 2 1 way in Nadia, man, over 1 way in Nadia, man, over your life now, when I will meet part 5. But didn't you know? It's okay. You drink water? Water, eh? Water. Why, bring the cup. This is the Hey, Pierre, now yes. Good. That's it. Yes, it's okay. Finish. Choose. Hello, choose. Mese baba nonti. Choose. Apani sonko. It's okay. Take one. Yay! Choose. Is here any batina akwane dia de na wi. Medi ni nyina. Prize. Please come and close the door. Asemo. Rosemary. You need my number. Please, come to my inbox. Also now we close the door. Go to my inbox and write me, Rosemary. Write me hi in my inbox. Say that by your message because number no. Who the 2 Facebook are India phone, Pakistan phone. They take your number. WhatsApp. They send me pornography. Sometimes they'll be calling you on video. I'm not sure video call. And to me who does +9 now? I'm blocking number outright. So mo the numbers are to Facebook. I was more careful. But if it's a business number, that is why it's there. They are fine. Maybe I will tone be fine. But all these people, you don't have to entertain them. When you pick a video call on a pet, when you know or more capture, they know how to capture it and use it for fraud. And some of them will be sending you pornography. Pakistan, India, Malaysia, and Sankophone. They are scams. Into my number every Facebook. Mr. Also send me her in my inbox, so I may send them my number no? So that if you want us to talk, I will talk. Why? I didn't know. You know,
Younger KA. Yeah. Yami Adam. I be actually going to be on the way. No bidi me hoye kakra na so ya ho na ajo so ye betiasi me won kwan me nsai ba me fili me hudu again na bone gala we ma na me nyame ya se pa na weti da game me hoye me hoye me huyo me hoye me huyo Yami Adam, you better sound fine. You nyame pa jo, you better see a dime. We will stop, we could be here. You want to share see and then you must time. No bidi. If you listen, I'm now shine. I hear Tia, Mrs. Town, Professor Kakra, and Sab, and me and the Hode. Me hoye, come on,